Hello everyone, welcome to the video of theory of computation. Today we discuss about the Arden's theorem. Whenever we convert a finite atom motor to RE, they have one theorem is also available, which is called the Arden's theorem. So what he says, that Arden's theorem says that let P and Q are two regular expressions, okay, in over the input symbols or over the symbols. And if P does not contain epsilon, if P does not contain a symbol, then the following equation in R, the following equation R is given by. It means that when you get R is equal to Q plus RP equation in a regular expression, then you can simplify it, or this is the unique solution for this expression is like a R is equal to QP star. Okay, so how exactly it is work? So we need to get a proof that this is the solution or the unique solution. This is the only unique solution for this Arden's theorem. So we also learn some programs to conversion of finite atom motor to the given RE using Arden's theorem. So you will understand what exactly the Arden's theorem works, or what is the use of this equation. Okay, so let's see that we just prove, going to a proof, like we have to put that QP into the given equation, like R is equal to Q plus, if you put this R as a QP star, okay, QP star P over here. Now as we know that we have commonize the Q over there. When we are taking a common from any of our mathematical expression like a similar, then the replace is a 1 over there, but here we are not taking a 1, use a epsilon. Okay, so common, both इसमें से common निकलने पर Q अगर यहाँ पे निकला तो this is not a 1 over here, this is a 1, this is a epsilon. Okay, epsilon plus P star P. Okay, there is a one rule, this is the important part, this is like a epsilon plus P R star R is equal to R star. Okay, according to this formula, according to this theorem, we are just replace this or simplify this equation like a Q, or this is the epsilon plus P phi star P, it means P star QP star. So hence proved that R is equal to, hence proof that R is equal to QP star is has a unique solution for this given formula. But it's the only solution. We have to find out this is the only solution, or we are getting another solution as well. So just like if you are putting R is equal to QP star in R, we put in a R QP star in a different way. So just let's discuss on the next one. Suppose here is R is equal to Q plus RP. Okay, this is like a example. Now put R is equal to, replace R with the, replace R with the Q plus RP. Okay, replace R with the Q plus RP. So how it exactly over there, Q plus R को replace करना है Q plus RP से, Q plus RP, and here is a P. Okay, now Q plus multiply this Q like a QP plus RP square, correct? Now again put that Q plus RP in this equation. So what we get, Q plus QP plus like Q plus RP, Q plus RP E square. Okay, now simplify this. QP plus multiplies this QP star, sorry, QP square plus RPQ. Okay, whenever we are putting a R into that equation, what we get? We get like that. We get like that, like Q plus QP plus QP square. Okay, now up to like QPN plus RPN plus 1. Okay, we will get this formula, we will get this equation till the number of times n's. Now we are observe one thing, that every sequence is having a Q is a common. Now take a common as a Q. So I am already told you this is not a single. If I am taking a Q on this state, we are replacing as an epsilon plus P square up to P raised to power n plus R P n plus 1. Okay, now guys, this is the example, like epsilon plus P star P, sorry, R star, R is equal to R star. So here I am put that R star is R. So we will discuss is like Q is equal to, is the whole thing is like a P star, so QP star. So this is the only example. Whenever in the both way we are putting down Q is equal to QP star as well, or the RP in our example. Now what we get? Okay, now here in a R, here R we are putting down as a QP star. Okay, because for this getting a common, this is for getting a Q as a common, this R is not having a common, so we are just putting down R is equal to QP star. So Q is common, that P star P and plus 1 there over, please P star P. Okay, now this is the complete equation. Now we get a QP star over here. So this is the example, and we are only get this simplified version, that whenever we get R is equal to Q plus RP in our expression, we are directly say that, we are directly replace that R is equal to QP star. So in the next solution or the conversion of FA to RE, we are using these Arden's theorems to make a simpler things. We have to make a equation according to the finite automata, and then we are just substitute that value into the different equation, and then once the equation is says to be like that, then you have to get simplified according to R is equal to QP star, and we will get the regular expressions. Let's see what exactly is working. Actually this is the most important part as compared to the university exam, because most of the question is coming from the Arden's theorems only. So they only ask the question like conversion of finite automata to the RE using the Arden's theorem. So this is the Arden's theorem. This is, you have to just know about that whenever we are getting this type of expression in the format of this expression, you just use that simplified version of that unique solution like R is equal to QP star. Okay, thank you.